He's not with the gang, he's an imposter. I'm doing my task, I'm not an imposter. Hey, I'm up in the med bay, I don't need a doctor. Pull up with a stick, like I'm Harry Potter. Black, don't be a fool. I saw you vent, now you playing it cool. He tryna kill me, I won't be a ghoul. I'm playing Among Us, might drop out of school. I'm on security every day. Report the body, then what should I say? Orange is sus, he went that way. No, he got ejected, so what do I do? They might think it's me, but that's not true. I'm with